In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a group email in Microsoft Outlook quickly and easily, following the latest guide for 2025. This process is very useful if you often need to email the same group of people at once. Let's dive right into it so you can streamline your communication and increase your productivity. First things first, you need to go to the Outlook website. You can do this by opening your internet browser and typing in outlook.office.com. Once there, sign into your Outlook account if you're not already. Remember to use your usual credentials to make this a seamless process. Once you're logged in, it's time to find the People section, also known as your contacts list. To access this, you'll need to locate the app launcher on the screen. It might look like a square grid, similar to a waffle or a series of dots, typically found near the top left corner. Click on it, and then select People from the options you see. This will direct you to the section where all your contacts are stored. With the People page open, you're going to want to look for a control on your top toolbar that says New Contact List and click on it. This is the step where you'll officially begin creating your group. Think of a name that's easy for you to remember. Something descriptive like Project Team 2025 works well in giving you a quick overview of who makes up this group. The next step involves adding members to this group. You can do this by simply typing in their email addresses one by one. If you've already worked with these individuals, you might find it quicker to select names from your existing contacts list. Make sure you add everyone you need as part of this group at this point so you won't have to come back later for edits. Once you've got the group members in, the last thing you need to do is hit the Create button. Clicking on Create will save your new contact list. And that's it! You now have a group ready to use. From now on, whenever you need to send an email to this group, simply begin composing a new email and type the group name into the To field. You'll notice that all the email addresses you carefully selected will pop into place automatically. This saves you time from adding each contact individually. So there you have it, a quick, efficient way to send emails to multiple people in Outlook by creating a group. Keep this new skill in your back pocket. It's bound to help you maintain efficient communication within your teams. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing!